Good morning everyone! Another vlog today. We were able to sleep really soundly sa bago naming sofa bed. Wala kang damit eh. Pero ang ganda. It's very comfortable. I love it. I love it talaga. Di ba hindi na masakit sa likod?
Yeah.
And then, now we're just gonna run a few errands. Tapos, we have to be at Oracle Clinic by 3 o'clock. Because we have a facial date appointment. First time ba mag-facial, Lee?
No.
Yun. First time in a long time.
Oo.
Ayan. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung na-vlog ko to kagabi, pero we have a package of, yeah, na-vlog ko, naalala ko. Pepero stuff. Love it! Meron silang bago, guys. Double dip, choco and white. So, yung coating niya is super kapal. Yung loob is white, yung labas is chocolate, diba? Tapos yung ito rin, double dip din na strawberry and white. Ang sarap. I'm pretty sure it's already available sa mga supermarkets. Tapos, I also got a package from The Beauty Hunter PH. You can find them on Instagram, The Beauty Hunter PH. I'll have the link in the information box. And she sent over Tanya Burr lip glosses. Yay! So excited to try them out. Shades niya ay... ayun, I found Nemo and... Gosh, hindi ko mabasa. Berry something. Ayan, 2 shades. If you want Tanya Burr lip glosses, buti nga mayroon sa Philippines, no? Look at their Instagram page. I'll have it in the information box. Tapos, ano ba ba? That's it. I'm wearing my headband kasi si Mark hindi ako binibila ng headband na maayos, so may bunny ears. I did not forget to put on sunscreen. Nivea Protect and Light Feel. Look at that. Kaya shimmery ang aking legs. And I'm protected from the sun. And the watch I'm wearing today is from Jord. International siya, guys. Pero ang bilis na ng shipping. Ito yung itsura niya. It's a wood watch. Cute. Baby, hi na. Iba-vlog natin si Mark mamaya. Fazial. Oh! Ito pa. Hindi ko napakita sa inyo to. It's a fan. Gift from Etude House during the Easter. Cute, no? We're on our way to Oracle Clinic. And sabi ko niya sa Waze, 42 minutes and now 6 minutes na lang. Sobrang bilis. I think wala pang 30 minutes na yun kami agad. Di ba, B?
Yeah.
Inawin niya ako.
Wow. Ako nang away.
Yep, it's your fault. Apologize to me.
No, it's you.
Tapos, we're thinking where to eat after the facial. I don't have any makeup on. Nag-ano lang ako ng sunscreen. Tama, kasi sobrang init sa balat kanina. We're here! Oracle. I'm with this annoying guy who annoys the hell out of me. Ano? Sabi mo? Pitigil mo doon. Annoying voice? Ha? Sinabi mo yan, ha? Oracle. Nope, akit tayo. With this annoying guy.
With this annoying voice.
I'm not gonna tell you. You're so annoying.
How about you?
So Mark and I are gonna try out the Korean facial today. Handa ka na bang maging Korean, B? Joke lang. Pero magandang Korean, narinig kong okay. We have water. May mga tea rin sila, sabi ni Ronnie. So you can order that for free. Ayan, we're gonna do this Korean facial. We're here inside the powder room. We have to wash our faces first. B, yung bag mo kaya ilagay mo sa loob ng bag ko. We're going to the... Ayan, may CR pa dito ulit. Oh, this is so... Ayan. Dito kami. Saan mo gusto, B?
That's it.
Dito ako. We're starting the facial. Steam. Hi. Cucumber scrub, tapos mechanical scrubbing daw. step is the collagen massage. Next step is scaling. Pagtanggal na ng dead skin cells. Oh, ultrasound. Vacuum extraction. Next is the infusion of vitamin C. It's good for the skin. Bago yung extraction.
Hold on.
Hold on. Okay. Extraction. Antibiotic for the pimples. Ultrasound.
Ultrasound po to stimulate the collagen.
Okay.
And then this is the regenerating gel.
Oh, lamig. Yeah.
Yes. It has vitamin B po at saka tracer. So, sorry, to promote the healing.
LED light is next. Yun ba yung color red?
Yes po.
And that's for
For blood circulation
Blood
po. At saka pantanggal din po ng redness.
high frequency to close the pores. Pomegranate mask, last part. Ano favorite part mo? I love it. Oh my gosh, my skin looks so good. Sobrang anpi. Fresh. I love it. Si Mark, after ni Mark. Sarap, B. Nakarapan ka. Yung malamig, na-feel mo yung malamig.
No.
Sarap, no? Grabe, guys. Super clear ng skin ko. I love it. Oh my goodness. Hi, B. Alright, so we're done. We're gonna go walk to Greenbelt because we're so hungry. Another sign of real love. Inaayos yung shoes ko. Kasi sabi ko. Thanks, B. We ordered sake, guys. Bongga. Okay, thank you, Kuya. So we're gonna have dinner here at
Tonkatsu by Terasa.
and we ordered tonkatsu, udon, and we're gonna try the sake. Here's my order, guys. I forgot what it is. Pork yata. Oh, yummy. Woohoo! What's yours, baby?
Here.
Smaller than Yabu, no? And we ordered hot udon. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Di mo ko masarap na sobra. And they have the flakes. The pura flakes. Love it. Masarap ba?
Yeah.
Yeah? Here's the sake, guys. Oh, we're home and I got myself a plastic bathroom rack. Kasi nagkakalawang. This is only 70 pesos from Ace Hardware. And I also got a clothes rack kasi may bazaar kami next week ni Joyce and I'll be needing this. Mark stopped by the nearby vape shop. Pupunta kami ng bahay kasi I had to drop off the printer for my sister and other stuff. Tapos, my mom and sister went to Baguio last kahapon. And of course, yeah, we have the Mika-san chocolate flakes. Who knows about this? Please thumbs up this video if you know. Grabe. Bata pa lang kami meron ng ganito. And of course, who would forget about the crinkles? I love Baguio. We spent like our childhood sa Baguio. I love it there. And si Isa, binilan ako ng pen Cutie. Anyway, tomorrow we're gonna have family brunch. Tapos, yan. What I need to do today, or right now, is do the things that I wasn't able to do kahapon. Mag-ano ako ng brush. And then mag-ayos ako ng mga makeup. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!